Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your date of birth in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here, we have to tap on the profile menu, and then on manage your account, then on personal details, and then on date of birth. And here we can just scroll until we find the date of our birthday. So it's like this, and then tap on save, and here now we have our birth date. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.